What if you could start a profitable business without renting a shop, hiring a big team, or spending lakhs on setup costs? Today, we're going to explore 15 mobile business ideas that are booming. Businesses which you can run from a van, car, trailer, or even just with portable equipment. Some of these ideas can start small and grow into serious full-time income businesses. So watch till the end, because the last few ideas might surprise you. 1. Mobile car wash. A simple but highly demanded business that works almost everywhere. Customers love the convenience of getting their cars cleaned while they work or relax at home. Corporate parking lots and apartment complexes can turn into recurring weekly income sources. 2. Mobile coffee cart. Coffee businesses attract customers daily because coffee is already part of people's routine. By serving offices, festivals, markets, and busy streets, you can build loyal repeat customers very quickly. A stylish cart and premium branding make the business look highly professional and profitable. 3. Mobile pressure washing. This business creates some of the most satisfying transformations you can film for YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. Driveways, walls, roofs, and storefronts can go from dirty to spotless within minutes, making viewers stay engaged. Residential and commercial clients also provide strong repeat business opportunities. 4. Mobile soft play service. Children's birthday parties are a massive market, and parents constantly look for unique entertainment options. Bright, colorful play setups instantly attract attention and look great on camera. Weekend bookings can become fully packed very quickly. 5. Mobile smoothie and juice bar. Health-conscious customers are spending more money on fresh drinks and wellness products every year. Smoothies, protein shakes, and detox juices sell especially well near gyms, parks, and sports events. Bright, colorful drinks also create highly engaging content for social media. 6. Mobile hair salon. Busy professionals, brides, and elderly clients prefer salon-quality service at home instead of waiting in crowded salons. Home service convenience allows you to charge premium pricing. Loyal customers often book regular monthly appointments for years. 7. Mobile photo booth mirror. Take an interactive photo booth mirror directly to weddings, parties, corporate events, and celebrations. Charge per event for setup, fun photo experiences, and instant digital memories, without needing a permanent shop. 8. Mobile makeup artist. Bridal makeup alone can turn into a highly profitable full-time business. Weddings, photo shoots, parties, and fashion events constantly need professional artists. Strong Instagram content and transformation videos help attract premium clients very fast. 9. Mobile cleaning service. Homeowners and office workers constantly need reliable cleaning help, making this one of the safest service businesses to start. Trust and consistency create long-term recurring customers. Once demand grows, you can scale by hiring additional cleaners. 10. Mobile auto repair. Many people hate visiting repair shops and waiting for hours, which makes mobile mechanics extremely valuable. Offering repairs directly at homes or workplaces creates convenience customers are willing to pay for. Skilled mechanics can quickly build loyal repeat clients. 11. Mobile tutoring. Parents are spending heavily on personalized education and exam preparation for their children. Tutors who specialize in competitive exams or difficult subjects can charge premium hourly rates. Long-term student relationships also create stable recurring income. 12. Mobile catering service. Food businesses always attract attention, especially during weddings, office parties, and celebrations. Strong presentation and quality service can turn one event into multiple referrals. Corporate lunch contracts help create more predictable monthly revenue. 13. Mobile windshield repair. Small windshield cracks are extremely common, and most people prefer affordable repair over expensive replacement. The startup cost is low while profit margins remain strong. Insurance-approved repairs also make customer conversion easier. 14. Mobile yoga classes. Wellness and mindfulness trends continue growing every year, especially among corporate professionals. Teaching yoga at homes, parks, or offices creates a premium personalized experience. Corporate wellness contracts can provide stable weekly earnings. 15. Mobile computer repair. Technology problems create urgent demand because people depend heavily on laptops, Wi-Fi, and smartphones daily. Fast on-site support saves customers time and frustration. Small businesses especially prefer reliable technicians they can call regularly. Thanks for watching. These are only a few ideas related to mobile businesses. Comment for more ideas.